credit card and credit score, yes.
When we came here and we started making money, we decided to open a bank account. So when we went to open the bank account, we were asked about our credit score. We were like, what's credit score? And then they tried to explain, we could not get anything, we could not understand anything. When we went to look for our apartment, they asked
what is your credit score?
Credit score. We were like, what is this thing they are asking? What is credit score? We could tell them we don't have any credit. So even when we went to buy a car, our first car,
what's your credit score?
About our credit score. Like everything, credit score. We didn't have any. So we went to a credit union.
Yeah.
They tried to explain and they gave us that credit card. They told us, yeah, you have this amount of money, use it, make sure you pay back, spend the money, pay back, and you will build your credit.
Yeah.
And we started building. We were just doing trial and error because we were not understanding anything. But later, as the days goes by, we are understanding. Even right now, we are still learning about this credit thing.
Yes.
But we were told you cannot buy a house without a good credit.
Yes.
So we were working very hard not to fail to pay the money on the credit card. So we want to build our credit. And we were told how to monitor our credit, if it is growing, if it is not.
Yeah.
And within a short time, our credit was good. I can't explain what is a credit card or credit score, but I know how to build the credit.
Yeah. Okay. There is someone who also asked a question, and I'm going to answer that one. Say, can you use one credit card for all your purchases? The answer is yes, but not advisable. Credit card is just, in a simple way, it's a loan. Just in a normal way. It's not your money as your money. They give you the money to use in advance. It's a loan. But it's a loan which you cannot take the money quickly. What you call cash back. You
can't take the cash.
There are some of the credit card you are allowed to take the cash, but they penalize you.
Oh.
So, for instance,
I didn't know that.
Yeah, you are allowed to get the cash. Even your credit, I believe, most of the credit card, if they're not from the store, if they are from credit union or from a bank, a certain bank, you can take the cash back. Most of the card you can take, but you pay more on that. First of all, I'm giving you an example. If you go to the ATM, maybe the charge is $3. I'm giving you an example. If you want to take the cash back, maybe the charge will be $15. And then if you take the cash back, the interest rate will go higher. So there are certain punishment on that. That's number one. So it's just a loan. They give you, let's say, 1,000. It doesn't matter how much you have as balance. It doesn't matter whether they give you a credit limit of 10,000 or 1,000. Principles are the same. When you get the money, do you use in a right way? Using the right way is determining your behavior of how you use the money. Let's go back to Kenya. If you go to borrow the money from all your neighbors, they will start talking among themselves. That person doesn't know how to use the money. Every day is coming to borrow the money. Every day is borrowing the money. And it's not paying back. They talk. That is the credit system in Kenya. Your neighbors, when you borrow the money all the time and you don't pay, they talk among themselves. So next time you go to borrow the money, they say no. So in America, we don't have the neighbor system. We don't have that. So they created the systematic way. If you use the money